Beneath 8 American states lies an invisible ocean, one of the largest freshwater reserves on Earth. Most people have never seen it. Most people have never heard of it. But if you've eaten corn, beef, or bread today, there's a good chance this hidden reservoir helped put that food on your table. For decades, this water seemed almost limitless. But today, a troubling reality is emerging. America's largest aquifer is running out of water. And once it's gone, nature may take centuries to replace it. Stay until the end, because I'll show you why this silent crisis goes far beyond farms. It could affect food prices, water security, and the future of entire communities. We're talking about the Ogallala Aquifer. It stretches beneath parts of Texas, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Kansas, Colorado, Nebraska, Wyoming, and South Dakota. Imagine a massive underground reservoir that accumulated water over thousands of years. Unlike a river you can watch shrink or a lake you can see drying up, the Ogallala remains hidden beneath the surface. Yet without it, modern agriculture across the Great Plains would look very different. Many of America's most productive farming regions would face enormous challenges maintaining current levels of agricultural production. Why this affects you? The Great Plains are often called one of the world's most productive agricultural regions. Millions of acres of corn, wheat, cotton, and other crops depend heavily on groundwater from the Ogallala. But here's what most people never think about. The Ogallala helps feed America. If water availability declines, agricultural production becomes more difficult and costs can rise. This isn't just an environmental issue. It's an economic issue that can influence food prices and the cost of living for millions of Americans. And the reality is simple. We're withdrawing groundwater much faster than nature can replace it in many areas. Unlike a reservoir that's visibly shrinking, groundwater depletion happens underground, year after year, decade after decade. Irrigation systems pump billions of gallons of water from the aquifer. The challenge is that much of this water accumulated over extremely long periods of time. In some areas, natural recharge occurs so slowly that it could take generations to recover what is used in a single season. But if groundwater levels continue to decline, what happens to the farms, communities, and families that depend on it? The answer may be more urgent than many people realize. The cause is surprisingly simple: demand. Modern agriculture requires enormous amounts of water. Those green irrigation circles visible from airplanes are powered by groundwater pumped from deep underground. Every gallon withdrawn today is one less gallon available for the future. When groundwater withdrawals consistently exceed recharge rates, water levels decline. And as wells become deeper and more expensive to operate, many producers face increasing challenges. In some regions, communities are approaching the practical limits of what these groundwater systems can sustainably provide. The Ogallala Aquifer serves as a warning. Water security is no longer a concern limited to deserts or drought-prone regions. As groundwater levels decline and traditional water systems face increasing pressure, more people are looking for ways to diversify their water sources. Some invest in private wells. Others store water. Others focus on filtration and preparedness. But if we can no longer rely entirely on water beneath our feet, perhaps it's worth looking toward another source that's all around us: the air. Even in relatively dry climates, the atmosphere contains moisture. That's one reason atmospheric water generation has gained increasing attention in recent years. Unlike aquifers or reservoirs, atmospheric water generators extract moisture directly from the air and convert it into usable water. This provides an additional source of water that operates independently from many traditional water systems. Commercial systems can be expensive, but DIY technology has made atmospheric water generation more accessible than ever. One example is the SmartWaterBox. It's a home-built atmospheric water generation system designed to help families create an additional source of water using moisture already present in the air. If you'd like to learn more, you'll find additional information in the description below. The world is changing, and water may become one of the most valuable resources of the coming decades. Understanding how water systems work and how to improve your own water security may become one of the most important skills you can develop. If you'd like to learn more about water shortages, water rights, preparedness, and water independence, subscribe to Water Freedom. Every week, we explore the technologies, laws, and systems shaping the future of water. Protect your future, and I'll see you in the next video.